Welcome back to exercise 1.2. Question number 1 says, state whether the following statements are true or false and you have to justify your answer. First one, every irrational number is a real number. It is true. Real numbers are a collection of rational numbers and irrational number. Clear? Second, every point on the number line is of the form root m where m is a natural number. False. The negative numbers represented on the number line are never in the form of root m where m is a natural number. So for any natural number m, root m is always a positive number. Clear? Every real number is an irrational number. False. Collection of real number is of rational and irrational. So every real number is either a rational number or irrational number. Now question number 2, please refer to your textbook. The question says, are the square roots of all positive integers rational? If not, give an example of the square root of a number that is a rational number. The answer is no. The square roots of all positive integers are not irrational. Square root of any perfect square number is always a rational number. For example, root 4. Root 4, the square root is 2. Root 36, 6. Root 16 is 4. Now, 1.2 is over. We are going to 1.3. Write the following in decimal form. Very easy. And we have to mention what kind of decimal expression is this. Okay, so along with me, all have to practice. We start with question number 1. Question number 1, there are 6 sums. Okay, chalo, let us start. 36 upon 100 gives you 0.36. Decimal expansion or expression is terminating. Terminating matlab it stopped, no? 1 upon 11 when you divide, you get the answer 0.0909. 9 is repeating, 09 repeating. So non-terminating recurring. For integer 1 upon 8, mixed fraction, convert to simple, 33 upon 8. When you divide, you get 4.125. So it is terminating. Next we have 3 by 13. You see the answer, non-terminating recurring. 2 upon 11, 0.1818, non-terminating recurring. 329 upon 400, terminating. Question number 1 is clear. 2 times without fail you have to practice. Okay. Now we are moving to question number 2. Question number 2, you have to refer to your textbook. Question I have not copied here. I will read for you from your textbook. You know that 1 upon 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. Can you predict what the decimal expansions of 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7 are without actually doing the long division? If so, how? Chalo, let us start. Now we are given 1 upon 7 is equal to 0.142857. A bar is there. Values are given. I want to find out 2 upon 7. So I will not divide. What I will do? 2 into 1 upon 7 is your 2 upon 7, no? And put the value of 1 upon 7 and you get the answer 0.285714 and bar. आया समझ में? 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7. देखो सबको सिर्फ मल्टीप्लाई करना है and you get the answer. Okay? Is this clear? But you have to try, huh? No direct answer. Multiplication you have to do. This question is very important. Express the following in the form of P upon Q. Chalo, let us understand. 0.6 bar. X equal to 0.6 bar. The meaning of bar is that 6 is repeating infinite times. ये आ गया समझ में? Multiply both side by 10. So we get 10x equal to 6.666. Okay, 10x equal to 6 plus x. Why? What is the value of x? 0.6666. आया समझ में? Bring x to the left side. 10x minus x equal to 6. 9x equal to 6. X equal to 6 upon 9. Or you can write 2 upon 3. So what is the value of 0.6 bar? 2 upon 3. I hope I'm making it very clear. Second, 0.47 बार. Which number is repeating? देखो बार किसके ऊपर है? सिर्फ 7 के ऊपर है, 4 के ऊपर नहीं है. तो 7 is repeating. तो x equal to 0.4777. ठीक है? Same method, multiplying both side by 10. So what do we get? The answer 43 upon 90. Third, 0.001. All the three numbers are repeating. So we get x equal to 1 upon 999. Express 0.9999 in the form of p upon q. Chalo, method will be same. X equal to this. 10x equal to this. Multiply both side by 10. 10x equal to 9 plus x. 9x equal to 9. X equal to 1. And you get the answer 1. आ गया समझ में? Fourth one is clear. देख लो एक बार और. Now we are moving to question number 5. पहले मैं read कर दूँ. What can be the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of 1 upon 17? Perform the division to check your answer. चलो division start करेंगे. 1 को 17 से divide करना है. तो what answer you are getting? 0.058235294117647. So how many digits are there? Total will be 16. Count कर लो. 16 digits तुम्हारी रहेंगी उसमें. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6 भी read कर दूँ पहले मैं. चलो. Look at several examples of rational numbers in the form p upon q, where p and q are integers with no common factors other than 1 and having terminating decimal expansions. चलो 1 upon 2 is 0.5. 1 upon 5, these are the examples taken. 1 upon 5 का मतलब है 0.2. 1 upon 10 का है 0.1. And you see the examples. 1 upon 3 is 0.3 bar. 1 upon 7 is 0.142857 bar. 1 upon 6 is 0.16. Decimal expansion of a rational number p upon q is terminating if and only if q has no prime factors other than 2 and 5. So q will be 2 raised to m, 5 raised to n, where m and n are whole numbers. Only in this condition it is possible for terminating decimal expansion. फिर से देख लो. Only when it has the prime factors 2 and 5. Question number 7, very easy. Write 3 numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating and non-recurring. Non-terminating, non-recurring. And the numbers are 0.010010001, you can see. Okay. Then we have question number 8. Find 3 different irrational numbers between rational numbers 5 upon 7 and 9 upon 11. They are non-terminating, non-recurring, hence they are irrational numbers. Classify as rational and irrational. First one, root 23, irrational. Root 225 equal to 15 is a rational number. 0.3796 is a rational number. Now we start with exercise 1.4. Again, same, classify the following as a rational or irrational. You can see the answers. Very easy. Simplify each of the following. Open the bracket. I have done the method. 3 multiplied by 2 plus root 2. Root 3 into 2 plus root 2. When you open, 3 2s are 6. 3 root 2, 2 root 3 plus root 6. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square. Checked? Okay. Now question number 3 I will read for you all. So first we will read 1.4 question number 3. Solution I have done. Recall, pi is defined as the ratio of circumference of a circle to the diameter, that is pi is equal to c upon d. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? You can read the arguments done here. So we can say pi being the ratio of c and d is still an rational number. Because the real numbers exhibit gaps, we can never measure the exact length of C and D. Now, very important question, construction. Represent root 9.3 on the number line. So you can see how it is done and the steps are done here. So please try. I had explained in the notes. Question number 5 is rationalize the denominators. 1 upon root 7 into root 7 upon root 7, root 7 upon 7. Root 7 into root 7 is 7. 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. So you have to take the opposite sign. Root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 plus root 6. So you get the answer 7 minus 1. Third one I have done with plus and minus both. So when it is plus, now you can see here minus and plus. When it is plus here, you have to take it minus, opposite sign, okay? So we get 5 minus 2 gives you 3.